Hello, my name is Stan Yabroff. I'm a product specialist with CQG. I want to do a short webinar today on CQG Desktop, but to start off with, I want to talk about getting into the trading simulator on all of our different types of applications. Every one of you have been sent or will be sent a login specific to them that will allow you to trade and look at prices. One person will be able to log in on CQG IC that you see on the screen right now, and everybody else will be able to log in on a CQG Desktop, which has both a desktop and a mobile version. It will size to your apparatus. And for those of you with iPhones, we have the newly released, for this competition only, the CQG iPhone app, which you can get in the App Store under either CQG or 2018 Trading Challenge. And this is a pre-alpha release for the participants of the CME Group Trading Challenge, and I'll put in right now that we are looking for comments and suggestions and any reaction you may have to the app. We respect your opinion on mobile devices and mobile apps. What we have right now is your just a typical CQG page, and I'm going to left click on the trading interface, and I'm not going to log in. If you've logged in, you're in a demo mode. I want you to log off. Then go to setup and uncheck demo mode. I just checked it to show you. Now I'm going to uncheck it. I'm going to go connection mode. It's going to say www.cqgtrader.com. All you have to do is take out the www and trade and type in demo so that it reads demo.cqgtrader.com. Hit apply, hit OK. Now you go to log in, and this is my login. And it will say successful, and we are currently logged in and able to trade on this device. So it's a simple process, but you must follow it for your trades to count in the competition starting next Tuesday. So again, under setup, with the active window being a trading interface, the ladder, the CQG trader, the ticket, or this one, the CQG, the ticket hybrid ticket, which has both the functionality of the drag and drop of the DOM trader or the buttons of the ticket. And this is the one that you're going to find a similar version in the mobile apps that we're going to discuss in a moment. And once you're into this, you personally will be able to see all of the trades being done by everybody on your team in this format, with the working orders, the field orders, and most importantly with everybody trading, open orders, account balances, all will be available to you for everybody on your team. So that's the important aspect of understanding this. And you'll know you're logged in right if you can see all your trades. And it will have a number up here or a title up here. It won't be demo. So I'm going to now go in, and I'm going to take a new window, and I'm just going to type in mdemo.cqg.com and hit enter. Now this is the desktop version of it, and it will open to it should open to a page that says CQG or CME on it, or at least it will list all of the symbols that you can trade: gold, S&P 10-year note, euro currency, corn, Malaysian palm oil, soybeans. Get it down a little bit. Crude oil. I put in some spreads as well. Crude oil. This is a March-April spread. Natural gas spread, and a palm oil spread. So this is put in. You'll notice that this got a blue dot up at the top. You'll notice that in the trading interface, it also has a blue dot. And in the little chart at the bottom, it also has a blue dot. Let me open this up more. Okay. And that means they're linked. So if you were to click right now on this right here, which is soybeans, the chart becomes a soybean, the window becomes a soybean, trade window, and the chart. Or crude oil. We could also scroll up and get the S&P, which is still actively open and trading. And you can see and this is showing you the size of the bids and offers, and you'll notice that the size of the bids and offers are all in the 200 range at each price. So there's a lot of liquidity in the mini S&P. You'll see a lot less in others. This is one of the most liquid contracts ever. And you should have been playing with this so you can know that you can buy at the market, sell at the market. You can highlight a price and do a limit order or a stop order, or, well, a limit order here. OCOs, one cancels the other, is here. And we have stop orders as well. All set up in your preferences. And or if you choose to, and you can go in and look at this is a button that says orders and positions, and it will give you the same information that we had. We have orders here, which shows you your working orders. You have time and sales, which actually shows you what's being traded. We have fills, purchase and sales. All of that is available, and your account information, which is behind the little interface there. And so that's under the orders and positions. And here's your CME at the bottom. And I'm going to, just to show you how you can create any kind of a page you want, I'm going to add an empty page, and I'm going to just call it CME2. Add a widget. So I'm going to start by going down and putting in a quotes page. And the CME list is not in here because it was imported, so I'm just going to put in this one here and just hit OK. This has some things that are not in your trading. I just wanted to put it in. Then I'm going to right click, see the little plus. I hit the plus and I'm going to put in a candlestick 60-minute chart, and then I'm just going to grab it and it just goes into there. I'm going to leave it right like that. And now I have a chart at the bottom. I have the price here. I'm going to go one more, and I'm going to add to that a trading interface, and I'm going to use the hybrid order ticket. And again, I'm going to take this, I'm going to bring it over, and I'm going to put it in there. Now, let me just move this a little over. Now I'm going to go in here, as I did on the other one. I'm going to pick a color. We'll go with yellow. And then I'm going to put in a yellow here. And I'm going to put in a yellow here. And then again, whenever I click on anything, here's live cattle, then this is live cattle, and this will become live cattle. I do the S&P, and you have the S&P market here, and you have the chart down here. On the bottom of the chart, you can change this to a 5-minute chart, a daily chart. Candlesticks is good. Study. We can add any one of these studies here. I'm going to put in this short moving average cross. And that gives me a 4918. I'm looking for the crosses. When the blue line is above the red line, I'm long. And crossing over again when it goes, the blue line goes through the green and the red, I'll go short until it crosses up here again. You can pick the RSI. Again, if you have any questions about any of these studies, we can also take a look, and you can Google them or look in our help menus, and you'll find descriptions of all of these studies. I'm only basically showing the functionality, and I'm going to add and close a stochastic, and you could see that, again, it's a crossover. And you can set up the page any way you want. You could add to this page, open positions. I think it's very important that you have a good idea of the open positions, because you have a number of people on your team looking at this at the same time. If you have more than one person trading, you want to make sure you know what your net position is as a team. Now, I want to point out one thing, and I should have when we were logging in. When you're logging in on desktop, now that's the cloud product, you must log in by clicking on the demo. Let me okay, here, we're logging in. Make sure that you're on demo, not live. The reason this is important and why I'm bringing this up is that when you log in on the brand new CQG for iPhone app, you have to log into live, not free. On the app, the choice is live or free. Because you have a login and that particular special build for the CME group, it's being directed to the same server that the demo mode is here. So you click on live. So just to review, in the CQG IC, uncheck demo, change the connection preference to demo.cqgtrader.com and log in. On CQG Desktop, the cloud version, you click on demo, use the same trading and login that you got from CQG to trade, from the CME to trade. And on the app, you use the same login, the same password, but you're in live mode. It's important to keep those in mind so that all of your trades count starting Tuesday morning. And if you notice that your trades are not showing up in everybody else's orders and positions, then you know there's a login error. Thank you, and good luck in the training.